Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the main wash fill hose in your LG washer, you will need pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Remove the twist tie. Slide both tension clamps back on the hose. Use the flathead to pry the hose off. Remove both tension clamps off the hose. To install the new main wash fill hose, slide both tension clamps on the hose. Slide the ends of the hose in the detergent dispenser and inlet valve. Slide the tension clamps into place. Fasten the hoses together with the twist tie. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply, as well as the power, and your washer should be ready for use.